This is the range foundation the entire app is built on. Up to 50 kilometers between two modules, up to 20 kilometers man to drone. The RFOXiA Connect app's map view and control interface are only meaningful because the wireless link underneath them actually reaches that far. The 2 megabits per second data rate is what makes live sensor streaming and real-time control feel responsive rather than laggy. When the app is showing you 7 sensor channels simultaneously, that bandwidth is what keeps the dashboard current rather than stale. The STM32WB07CCV6 is managing the BLE stack and your application code simultaneously on a single chip. It is what allows the app to receive sensor data, GPS coordinates, and control acknowledgements in parallel without the module needing to choose between them. 57 by 47 millimeters. That is the footprint of the hardware that replaces your field monitoring stack. The fixing frame holes make it straightforward to mount in a drone bay, a sensor enclosure, or a rover chassis without machining a custom bracket. The app's full feature set, map, sensor dashboard, control interface, automation center, only activates completely when the BLE module is running alongside the GNSS and sensors modules. This connector layout is how those 3 boards become one integrated system. This is the interface the app presents when everything is connected. Live GPS map on one side, sensor readings on the other, joystick controls below, automation rules accessible one tab deeper. The app is the dashboard for this hardware, and this hardware is what gives the app its range. The chat screen in the app routes through this module. No internet, no towers, no accounts. Point-to-point and mesh communication between BLE module nodes at distances your carrier cannot reach and your satellite plan would charge you by the minute for. The SWD interface means the module is not locked to whatever firmware it's shipped with. If the automation logic the app provides is not enough, you can write custom firmware, flash it through SWD, and the hardware becomes whatever your application actually needs it to be. The RTC Crystal handles timing synchronization across the sensor network and the GPS data stream. When the app is logging time-stamped environmental data for research or regulatory compliance, the timing accuracy comes from this component, not from a network time server.